Hello everyone. Today we are in Sharjah, SteelFab 2025. Here we are showing CNC press brake 200 tons 3.2 meters. Today we have a new version of Delem DA69 Touch. This is a new technology. You can see here big screen, 3D visualization, 3D bending. So here you can do everything in your machine. This machine equipment, laser, PSP laser for protection, 6+1 axis, Y1, Y2, XR, Z1, Z2. This machine can bend 8 mm. Let's start our machine. So, welcome to our stand. Hall 3, 1725. Come to our booth. We will have a conversation to choose right machine for you. You can check our machine quality. You can check our machine components. Come and we will have a good conversation and we will give you the right machine with good prices. Welcome to our booth. HARSLE. Save time, money. Come. HARSLE, save time, money.
HARSLE, save time, money.